here's a quick guide to help you set up and configure page caching in the FlyWP dashboard and via WordPress plugin. Let's dive in. Now, navigate to the Sites option and select the site you want to grow with some caching magic. Click on the Page Caching menu. Here, you will find some options to sprinkle your site with speed. If you choose None, you are telling your server, hey, take it easy. No caching will be applied, which means the server processes every page from scratch every time a user visits it. But if you go with FastCGI Cache, you're saying, let's make this fast. This option enables fast page caching with Nginx FastCGI Cache. Supercharging your page load times, users will love how quickly they can browse your site. Ready to clear some page cache? Just give that button a click and Nginx Cache is cleared in an instant. It's as easy as pie. With the FlyWP Helper plugin, you can easily manage page caching from your WordPress dashboard. First, go to the installed plugins from your WordPress dashboard. Find and click on the FlyWP Helper plugin from your dashboard. Check out the plugin interface. You will see page caching for faster page loads similar to the FlyWP dashboard. Let's enable it first. Now let's explore clearing the cache from here. Just like in the FlyWP dashboard, the FlyWP Helper plugin also provides a Clear Cache button. Click this button to easily clear the cache after making updates or changes to your site's content. Just follow these steps and you will keep your WordPress site fast and efficient. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.